Subscribe to my channel for more videos on science and technology.
What year was the Digital India Mission launched? 2015. Which of the following is not a pillar of the Digital India Mission? Digital payments. What is the main aim of the E-Kranti initiative? E-governance. What is the purpose of the DigiLocker service? Online storage for documents. CS is in the context of Digital India stand for Common Service Centers. Which e-governance initiative provides a unique ID for residents? Aadhaar. The PMG Disha initiative focuses on digital literacy. What is the primary goal of the Umang app? Unified access to government services. Which platform is used for direct benefit transfer to citizens? Aadhaar. The My Government platform is designed for citizen participation. What does the e-hospital initiative focus on? Healthcare services. Which initiative aims at making all government services available electronically? E-Kranti. The National Digital Literacy Mission aims to enhance digital literacy. What is the purpose of the Jeevan Praman service? Life certificate for pensioners. Which of the following is an e-governance initiative for land records? E-Bhumi. Which initiative provides a platform for grievance redressal? Pragati. What is the full form of Umang? Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance. Which program is aimed at providing affordable and quality healthcare to citizens? E-Sanjeevani. The Digital India Mission promotes financial inclusion through Jan Dhan Yojana. What is the aim of the Swayam initiative? Online education. Which portal is designed for all central and state government services? Umang. Which of the following is an online knowledge platform for students and teachers? Swayam. What service does the government e-marketplace provide? Procurement for government. Which initiative is focused on transforming rural India through digital empowerment? Digital Village. Which platform facilitates electronic delivery of scholarships? National Scholarship Portal. Which app combines various e-governance services into one platform? Umang. What is the focus of the Pragati initiative? Project monitoring and implementation. Which e-governance initiative is aimed at digitalizing judicial system? E-courts.
If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.